Now, I think it's really important to think about also another thing that we use in our class. Jordan Peele, right? He wrote which horror film?
Get Out.
Get Out. Thank you very much. You got an Oscar for writing that. That's how different, unique, and creative that film is. He gave us not a final girl, because if you haven't seen the movie, she's a bad guy. Spoiler alert. He gave us the final guy. This is a movie about the final guy. The guy who survives where no one else survived before, right? He sees the horror that's happening and he uses his brain to get out of it. So I had to think about that. So does he qualify for these definitions? He's the last one left standing. All the other people who came before him have been incorporated, you know, white people have been put into their brains and it's weird. I don't know if he's definitely young. He's not necessarily innocent because he and his girlfriend have definitely had sex, right? But he's a really good, nice guy. So maybe he qualifies as innocent. I don't know. And then we think about, in the end, spoiler alert, he kills the bad girl by strangling her, right? Is that a feminine way to kill people? Poisoning's more a feminine thing? I don't know. But it's not a masculine way either. So it's a little bit, right? A little bit. Maybe it's not the perfect definition. But he's definitely the last guy standing when we get to the end of this movie, which is quite brilliant.